Hey there folks, I am driving the new Kia Seltos Facelift. This is the GTX Plus GT line diesel with the 6-speed automatic transmission, same as outgoing model, but it has a new digital instrument cluster, and most importantly, it has Advanced Driver Assiatance Systems. So I've got a camera and a radar up front, and I've got 2 radars on either side of the rear bumper. Those are really useful, and right now I've got this car going at cruise control at 90 kilometers per hour, which is the speed limit on this road, and lane keep assist on. Thankfully there's not much traffic, so adaptive cruise control whenever I'm coming close to a truck. I've got distance 2 set on this. The car will start slowing down. I've also got forward collision warning on. There are a few bovines around here, not too many because we are approaching Page Tiger Sanctuary, and free bovines out here means a free meal for a tiger. So okay, so that beep beep you heard there is because I was cutting the corner on the lane, so it's saying I'm going out of lane. So the warnings are coming on the car. ADAS on this car is useful. Now, I know I've been whining a lot about ADAS in the past, and honestly sometimes in the city I do turn forward collision warning off, but on these long highway drives everybody can get slightly distracted or slightly bored by traveling. Now, because this is a 4-lane highway and I have to weave in and out of trucks, you can't afford to get bored. ADAS is really useful on these new highways, on these new expressways that are being built. But honestly, with forward collision warning, I do believe cars should have some indication for other road users that it has ADAS. I know the MG Hector does that with a big ADAS logo at the back of the car. So should Kia, so should Hyundai, because guys tend to follow you really close behind, just 2 or 3 feet behind you. In a city where you may not be going fast, but then when somebody cuts in front of you and your car brakes, that person is going to rear end you. Back to cruise control, and there are these small dhabas all across the highways in India, and people park on the side. You might want to slide down the left hand side to avoid a truck, and then suddenly see a car parked in front of you. Hopefully the radar and the car will be faster, in a matter of speaking, than you ever will be. Again, there's a car parked on the side over here, and truck again. Now a lane keep assist, that little patch over there was no lane markings, so the car needs to have proper lane markings to go. ADAS is not something you necessarily use in a city all the time, but definitely on our highways it's a useful feature to have. Again, just be aware of what your car is doing at all times. So always keep your hands on the wheel, no matter, even if you have lane keep assist and the car can technically turn itself, or whatever you do. So always remember that ADAS is only an assistance tool. It is not something that will work, it's not automatic driving. So I told you about those overpasses for the wildlife. So the road is going on top, is the flyover. There's no other road underneath but animals, that's tigers, elephants, deer, they can all go underneath over here. This is the wildlife area, this is Page National Reserve, and we are almost at the top of the tree line. You can see this, it's amazing, and it's a really good initiative by the NHAI to do this, and also have a high-speed road. I'm cruising at 90 kilometers per hour, which is the speed limit. Adaptive cruise control on, lane keep assist on, fantastic. And I've got the Kia Seltos, the facelift, with the new 1.5 liter turbocharged engine, 160 PS of power. It is the most powerful two-row SUV right now in this class. It's more powerful than Trigon, even though the Alcazar has the same engine. The Alcazar is a three-row car and a lot heavier. This is fantastic to drive. I mean, Kia says they worked a bit on the ride and handling, but I think the Seltos had fantastic ride and handling anyway. I mean, those changes are marginal, but it's better. But I really like the new dashboard, the instrument cluster, fully digital instrument cluster, which you get on this GTX Plus car, as well as the new, the wider infotainment screen as well. All in all, a very, very smart looking car. Smart car, everything is much smarter. Of course, the AC vents have been changed a bit more curved and larger on the side, if I'm correct, and these have been moved down to accommodate the infotainment panel. Powerful AC, not that I need it in this weather. It's beautiful weather out here in Vidarbh, and a nice car to drive. Fantastic. In fact, this is a beautiful car, much better engine, very smooth. Anyway, back to the car. Fantastic driving, much better engine, really like it, and ADAS functionality will be fantastic. I believe 30% of people who have chosen to buy the car have chosen the car with ADAS. So amazing, amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Keep watching Kushan Drives for more, and do read my reviews over at the print. I write better than I do videos, I think, but anyway, that's up to you to decide. Thanks.